Energy!
Science.
Okay, today we're going to learn what is energy? What is energy? Well, in my head as a kid, energy was a big blue light that shot beams and could burn holes through people and buildings. That's what I thought energy was. But apparently, energy is something different. Okay, energy is the ability to do work or cause change. Energy is the ability to do work or cause change. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, let's introduce a type of energy: mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is just things that everyday objects, like I said, if I were to grab a box and I were to push it, that thing would move. That would be mechanical movement. And the thing that I put into it to push it would be mechanical energy. Okay? So in this case, the ability to do work would be considered if something moves. Okay? If something moves from its position, if a box starts right here and it moves like this, then it has done work. Okay? Work has been done on that box. But if it doesn't move, doesn't move at all from its position, then no work has been done. And energy, in this case, in mechanical energy terms, energy is the ability to be able to move that box, to do that work. Okay? So if you, for instance, for an example, if a door hinge, we were to look at that doorknob, we were to twist it open, we were to push it, that doorknob has now moved. So work has been done. And if work has been done, that means energy has been put into it. Okay? So whenever you open a door, you're putting in an energy. Because energy is the ability to do work or cause change. Now, the change part of that, what if I were to grab a hammer and I were to smack it against the wall, okay? Or I were to smack it against a piece of ice or something like that. The ice breaks, right? Or a piece of the ice breaks. Not the whole cube, but let's say the whole cube doesn't move. So that cube doesn't have any work done in it. You could look at it two ways. That piece that breaks off has had work done on it because the piece started on the cube and now it moves off like that. So you could say that was the energy going in, or you could say that there's been a physical change to it. It changed structure. The shape of it has changed by breaking off. So you've used energy, the ability to do work or cause change, to break that piece off, to cause that physical change. This is the same thing that happens whenever you turn water into steam, right? You're causing a physical change, and whenever you do a change, your ability to cause change is energy too. So, energy is the ability to do work and cause change. When talk about mechanical energy, work is defined as being able to move something from its resting position, right? Like if a box was right here, if it didn't move, no work is done on it. But if it moved from its position, then work has been done on it. And the thing that's able to do that work is energy, the ability to do that work. Okay, that's energy. And the change part of that is could be turning a physical object into different changes, its structure. That would also be considered energy, the ability to change that physical structure, like turning it into steam or breaking it into smaller pieces. It's also energy. So yes, so we learned about energy is the ability to do work, and we learned about mechanical energy, which is pushing things here and fro. Mechanical energy is like pushing things, big macroscopic things, like pushing. Whenever you got hinges and stuff, and because you're doing work, which work is defined as moving something from its resting position, off of its resting position. And yeah, at home, go move some things and see how you did work, and recognize that that's also you using energy whenever you make something move. Because energy is the ability to do work. So stay in school.